The hot knife has the advantage over other knives because the heat seals the styrofoam as it cuts. Cast iron is melted and left to cool in a mold, making it especially strong. Bamboo is a material used in traditional technologies of production. It's also naturally sterile and neutralizes bacteria left on the surface after 24 hours, which is perfect for use in food and drink products. Knife-cut noodles, daoxiaomian, are legendary in China, a specialty of the Shaanxi province. Practice and experience give you the skill to know the exact amount to mortar needed. You should remove the skin when you want to poach or slow roast salmon. Plastering is one of the most general and ancient finishing techniques. It applied to give a visually pleasing smooth surface to a wall. After placing and measuring each paper, he cuts them to create a perfect circle. Some Chinese provinces still practice the traditional process of paper making. Creating waves on the driveway will make the water evacuation easier and give better traction. There are three main types of grout: cement-based, epoxy, and urethane grouts. Nathan is a professional gardener. He quickly and efficiently cleans all the overgrown plants and weeds. The property had been abandoned for some time, and the neighbors were a little restless about the unkept green areas. After trimming and cutting all the plants, he uses a leaf blower to remove all debris. When applying an overlay product, the contractor adds strength to your surface. The overlay is typically a thin layer of cement, sand, polymer resins, and other additives. To repair this the carpenter uses a cool glide that seams it from the top using a radio wave technology, not getting or touching the adhesive. you are watching how a dragon wash basin, DWB, is produced when you rub your ears on it. You can hear a humming sound. Loading the net properly will ensure it fully opens. Once you throw it, spray paint, also known as aerosol paint, is paint that's stored in a pressurized container and dispensed using a valve. To release a mixture of paint and a propellant, this result is a fine, even mist that is easily applied to a variety of surfaces. Stain colors the floor, enhancing or sometimes entirely changing the color of the wood. Instead of painting the spot, this worker is cutting the space and placing while artificial grass. It's a very durable option, which allows it to be used and played on for years while maintaining a remarkable look. While some shears can up to 14 gauge metal, others support 20 gauge metal. Most asphalt crack filters are made primarily with asphalt, coal tar, acrylic, and epoxy. After measuring and cutting all the extra material, this worker masterfully covers this corner with pavers, leaving no space and creating a perfect, symmetrical result. Sometimes, a patient selects to laminate their prosthetic leg socket with a layer in something more personal than a skin tone. Welding together thick sections of stainless steel is the most common use for gas tungsten arc welding.